Here to te lalpai swami in chibai ule tungkar chunga North East India UPC Kohhran Rawngbawlna Chanchin Thar clearin nilonga ithlang u August ninga Pathiani Khan General Missions Department in missionary atana alak te tir chwana income chaltlang biak ina nei ani missionary tir chwa program hi General Treasurer Reverend Zoming Thansa man ka shwaya tir chwa tur te shyak thile chung tai sakna General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai ro chuan nein Mission Secretary Reverend VL Tluang asinate in missionary tir chwa te chin puan na aneya Reverend Arlal Hoya General Director in tir chwa na nein missionary an ni ang taka an mission tilo tling tura chanem ngai tura fuin mal som na le do sakna hlan General Secretary Reverend Arlarin sangan fuina thucha asoya General PYD Kwale Pentecostal Kohhran zai Rawngbawlna an nei bok North Mizoram District Shwai to the program District Superintendent Reverend Lal Tluang chuan District Board Jorel in August thachunga rammutura ruam hanna asia magin rammut program mang turin July nili inrinni khana izola chwasan District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantluang chuan July nili inrinni a brother PC chwaku ngati chungkwa vaireng te chimbeng ami ten pathian choi moina an nei tura speaker na thokin Rawngbawlna anei Vaireng te chimbeng a hian choi moina program mangin zanin pathian ni zan thleng thushil Rawngbawlna aneyang North Mizoram District Sunday School Director Reverend Kemal Somtluang chuan General Sunday School Kumpuan campaign nein Durtlang Bial Durtlang Mel nga le Durtlang North Kohhran Sunday School no pangpualin Rawngbawlna anei Evangelist RK Valal nga ya District Mission Secretary chuan July ni nga pathian ni hian tlang nuam Kohhran missionary support zongin na fe chuak Evangelist Chumal Somdong Liana District Mission Treasurer chuan July ni nga pathian ni hian tlang nuam bial North Lim ena missionary support zongin na fe chuak July ni somne pasare zirtop ni khan North Mizoram District LAD Rorel Bozuin Kolasip Khwang Pui Lama Fasha in Kolna in OGC Zim Children Home Puan Thui Khol North Mizoram District LAD ten anpe Children Home hian District LAD Shwai tu pani Sister Priscilla Romoi Bible Women District LAD President le Sister Kela Ro Kimi District LAD Treasurer Tekalin mi pathumin an choyo bok North Mizoram District LAD Shwai tu hi ASC Home Project Director Reverend ZH Zahluna Suzaindang Boarding School Principal Evangelist Zarzaulian Sailo Home Mother Sister Bila Ramha Kile Thoktupoi Modang ten an laudong song ani Thilpe Klan Income hi Compassion Center Office Project Director Ruma nein income Renze Zahluna Nakai Shwaya District LAD Treasurer Sister Kela Ro Kimin Thilpe Klan na ane ani income toiman na hian District LAD President Sister Priscilla Ro Moin thu soin LAD chu Chanpui tu Pol ani angin hope no pangte din hunle mamo chu District LAD Board chuan a thlireng chin thu te board in chulati anga theitop chu a Chanpui zel tura anin pe reng thu atar langbok Project Director Reverend Zahluna Point report toy pe in home le school building team son zelani thute school no pangpo zali chuang an nei to thute le school bus pakhat dang nei le tura malang me kan I thu a soitel bok ASC home hian tun dim huna no pang somli pakhat omin mi pa som ni le me cha som ni pakhat anom me ka thoktu som paruk anom me ka ni SDBS hian tun dim huna an vain thoktu som ni omin hengzinga hian zirtir tu som paruk anom bok North Mizoram District Board Jorel in a pasangin North Mizoram District Pastor Song Song Titu August Thachung hian jammu in nan fe chuak don Ramua fe chuana hun turpo District Board chuan ramhan na fel taksiamin August Thachung hian ni som pangatal fe chuak turin District Board chuan ngen na siam Rammutla tiawa August thla hian North Mizoram District chunga pastor te license holder Kohhran upale Rawngbawlna mi te chuan mani theina zon zona chanchin cha warzo ka shil tura imba sain chenom khoweng ba ka ria ka fe chuakin hunan mangchina he rammutla den thena Rawngbawlna tu te hian sengkhom na tho konga na satakin mason an nei thina ni North Mizoram District Noya Kohhran Pui Sumle Committee Peng Shang Tebaka Department Missions Sunday School LAD Le PY Sumen Kol tu July Somthum Totan Nia Changkhan District Committee Room Audit Ani District Board in Auditor Tour Atana Arwat Ren Sila Ramwana Evangelist Evlal Ngai Omale Tual Upasila Moeten Audit Nahi and Toka Ogas Nikat Nilani Khan Audit Nahi and Tokzao July ni somni pakwa pathian ni khan North Mizoram District Sunday School Secretary Evangelist HL Rin heda chuan hun thar bial lungver Kohhran tloin Junior Sunday School kumpuan no pangtitan tharau thianglim ti thupui mangin Rawngbawlna ane in kombo ruwa ka cha in tharau lam latinen pathian an choi moya hun limom tak an mangani Rawngbawlna tu Rawngbawlna changin mi panga in tharau thianglim baptisma an changani North Mizoram District Headquarters Bial Headquarters Kohhran Sunday School Department Board Sain July ni somni pasari le ni somni paria zan khan no pangten tharau thianglim mandon theina turle tharau thianglim poimon an chat theinan langke man board sai langke ma hian speaker atan District Sunday School Secretary Evangelist Aislarin hitaman ni in no panghoten an hlokpui hle North Mizoram District Headquarters BLPYD te chuan kumin June thla changa bial chung PYD ti tlo chhuaka local fair chwa program an nei chu July ni somthum to chanjang khan misom veng thlang Kohhran PYD tlo in kumin chung atana in tlo chwa program chu an khar District Headquarters Bial PYD Tembial Chunga Local Shanga Fair Chwa Program and Siama Hian Pathian to Shille Rawngbawlna le Rawngbawlna Peng Shanga Rawngbawlna tu te Puitling Zog ne na tur konga in zirtir na nein Bial Chung Chalai ten an lok puit le ani North Mizoram District LAD 10 kumin October ni som pahni atanga ni som pali chunga District LAD Conference man tur hi conference voice som nga na ni in Jubilee Conference ani angin Jubilee lam hoin conference mang turin imbwa saina an kalpui mek he conference pawal hian le khabo siam turin ruaman na kalpui ni in Jubilee Celebration Committee din ani baka editorial board te po fel le changtlung taka din ani tobok Serchi Bial PYD kumpuan subcommittee te chuan July somthum to chanjan khan college veng local a kumpuan campaign an bua sai Serchi Bial PYD kumpuan chairman brother Simal Somjol chuan thucha asoya kumin chung hian local tin tlo chwa tumin ruwa man nan siamani Chuampui Bial Sunday School Department chuan July ni somni pariat le ni somni pakwa khan Chuampui biak ina kumpuan bozuina Bible Study Program an bua sai Bible Study Program Intermediate le Doctrinal Department ti puala bua sai ania Speaker Abial to Pastor Reverend KVL mangai ki mahan mang July ni somni pariat engineer chama atanga tanin pathian ni zan thleng hunan manga soiho na le zona le chana hun thatak an mangbok Aizolis District Chung Shanga Revival Crusade Boasai Ani Upper Republic Bial Missions Department Timalang na in August nili in Rinizana Changkhan Republic Veng Thlang Kohhran Revival Crusade Boasai Ani Revival Crusade Ahian Speaker Ren H1 Chanan mga Bial Chunga Kohhran Hoten an Lutle Crusade Tiam Pathian Nizan Tlenga Odonani Upper Republic Bial Missions Department Tihan Reverend H1 Chanahi August Lachunga Tana Republic Veng Thlanga Rawngbawlna Turhian and Roi Chunzom Donani District Headquarters Kohhran Revival Crusade Nepo August Nitum Zirtop Zana Changkhan Chunzom Leni in Speaker Evangelist R. Van Chunga Man Ania Voin Pathiani Hiami Chanem Ngai Te Thokom Mangin Pathiani na lom to soi choi moina nei ania Pathian tharau thianglim ompuin noaya lim takin hunan mang Bongkon Kohhran po Evangelist HL Limpuya Speaker Mangin Revival Crusade thi nei chunzom le mek ni in voin Pathiani khan Sister Mercy lan muampui te chung kwa chuan Pathiani na lom to soina an bua sai bokani Na lambial not deal tlang huna po Evangelist lal amen Speaker Mangin Crusade nei mek zelania August nili in Rinni Khan brother zoming tang ati chung kwa chuan Pathiani na lom to soi choi moina an neya Kohhran ho ten lim takin hunan mangani Khosol Bial Missions Department ti buat sayin karma sa Kohhran Revival Crusade Harmon biak in an buat saya Speaker Evangelist H. Vanla Shwaya Chuman ni in Sister Laldim Parle Sister H.C. Ramthiang Limited Zaya Rawngbawlna Chanchin ni Crusade ne chung hiam mi pariatin swal ngai damna baptisma changin chung Kohhran member pali te chu Kohhran seng luan ni Zema bok bial Bethel Kohhran po Evangelist thang nei sanga tuirial chuan bial mission stirin Rawngbawlna anei meka July ni somni pakwa pathiani kha mithar paruk Kohhran aseng luta tunhaya Bethel Kohhran loi tur hian mithar som Kohhran seng lu an ni to ani July ni somni pariale ni somni pakwa Kohhran Upper Republic Bial Sunday School Department chuan bial chunga no pang Sunday School ti Pualin College veng bia ina tharau thianglim kem an buat sai tharau thianglim kem a hian Evangelist Bill lalruat moi chu speaker man ni in bial chunga tengin no pang Sunday School mi za chuang an kal khom no pang ten thuthlung an chat chan theina tule tharau thianglim la dong lo ten an don theina turin chanem ngai takin speaker le atim ten Rawngbawlna an neya pathian ne na tamal som na dongin no pang chanem takin tharau thianglim baptisma an dong tharani Kema hian Evangelist H. Lalrin oma Sister H. Lal fak omile Sister thangpui ten zai Rawngbawlna an nei tharau thianglim kem hi lang kema man ni in college veng Kohhran ten kem chimtu tan ruai an buat sai sak ani Upper Republic Bial Sunday School Department te hian tharau thianglim kem hi tum hniam buat sai na ni in kem sen sawatan hian bial chung Kohhran tina suma piling Kohhran mi puite impact na zara hlotling takin an mang the ani kem hi General Sunday School Department kumpuan bozuina na ruam man ni in hemi baka hian bial sport interdoctrinal meet le sex awareness campaign te an la buat sai to bok Thingsul thia bial malang na in August nili inrin ni nileng khan se songveng pui biak ina Rawngbawlna tu ti Pualin seminar buat sai ani seminar a hian resource person Reverend Arlal Thanzuala man ni in a paper buat sai Kohhran en kol na chungchang ba ka thiang din na le Kohhran ser le sang chungchang zir ho ani August ni le ni thumzan khan Rawngbawlna tu ti Pual hang kem nei alo ni to a speaker Reverend Arlal Thanzuala bok man ni in bial chunga changin Rawngbawlna tu chanem takan kal khoma an Lokwi le ani Aizol is District PYDOB te chuan raman na lo siam to in August ni thum atanga ninga chung khan champhai Bethel biala fe chhuakin Rawngbawlna an nei District PYDOB te hian kumsan i sompakwa a champhai Bethel bial ten District PYD conference an thlen tura in bua sai na sang te en puin organizing committee te nen tu le poimo te soikho min hunan manga zo khathar District PYD building sakmek po enin hundem chang ma sabera sakna chunjom le turin raman an siamani District PYDOB te hian August ni ninga zan khan Pentecostal queer te retreat an nei puya queer member te tana fuina thu sang soin hun an man pui August ni ninga ni chommadar sompakhat khan islungdar bial pastor quarter saktur lungphum Reverend Rosang Kolni Aizol East District Superintendent chuan phum he hun hi islungdar bial to pastor Kelan mingmoe chuan kai chhuain Reverend Rosang Kolni District Superintendent chuan pastor quarter saktur chu pathian ne na chung traina ahlanin lungphum phuma Kohhran ho te amphur hle islungdar bial pastor quarter hi adung fi som thum le awang fi somli pahni aliana saktura ro man ni in chong ni turati ania asakna niam budget a cheng noi sompanga ro man ni in RCC concrete a sakturin ro man ani pastor quarter saktur lungphum phumna hian bial shwai tu tile bial chunga chengin Kohhran member chanem tak ankal khomani Bong kon bial pastor quarter sakna po chaktaka kalpui mek zelania tuna hian arwang am chu zo thokhat to ni in bial chung mi puiten natlangin nan thok thin ani bong kon bial pastor quarter hi bong kon bia in sira sakni in bong kon Kohhran te hian a mun tur hi bial an hlan ani Chuan pui bial te poin bial pastor quarter sakna hi chaktakin an kalpui mek zela tuna hian quarters tur takhi sakzo chep to ni in raman na ang chuan kumin hian lualu man tura be sei ni in pastor quarter sakna atan hian bial chumi puite impact na sa in chaktakin tuna hian sakchho mek zela ni bok Lunglei District Kumchan West Statistic Report Lunglei District Kumchan West Statistic Report chu ti chhuania report number ain member hi som thuminan pung Lunglei District chunga Kohhran din muntlang pui bial som ni preaching point paruk local za som pakhat member zongzong singkhat sangria zali som sari pathum tui baptisma changto zongzong singkhat sangni zaruk somriat pasari tharau thiang lim baptisma chang sangria zaria somthum pasari PYD din na local somkwa pahni LED din na local za pali PCD din na local somriat paruk Sunday school din na local za paruk PMD din na local somli pakhat upazat zathum somnga senior upazat somnga basari rongbol tu zat zanga somriat pali ordination license somni pariat general license somnga local license somli pasari Bible women som pahni chung kom zat sangthum zakwa somruk kar chuak chung ko zat zani somkwa pakwa July ni somni pathum thotan ni khan Lunglei District Missions Director Office District Missions Emergency Board nei ania ando rel tlang puite kumin sani sompariat conference tu puetan chanchin cha fam kim khovel pumpuya ti man ni se conference agenda nei tu 10 November ni sompangaral ma in thelu conference lunga appeal tuak turin general mission field ta biak in pakhat sak tum ni se putlunga si field quarter saktan puina tan cheng sing sari pek ni se Lunglei District PYD conference in leadership seminar nei ni se tia laurel bozuin munchang shanga leadership seminar nei chome kania district PYD shwai tu ti point seminar hetiang hian an nei pui August ninga pathiani hian thingsaya district PYD president evangelist Vilal du omale treasurer evangelist Laldim puya sailo August ni som pani pathian hian chair luna district PYD vice president upasilal mangayale assistant secretary biak siam tluanga August ni som pakwa pathian ni hian lungsen section jangte norta district PYD secretary evangelist kelal numpuyale finance secretary hlal mingmoya August ni somjir topni hian Lunglei District Board voi zasum kwa pathumna chu District UPC Conference Hall anei anidon board ta hian District Board voi zasum kwa pani na in board le arel turatana alauda agenda shang shang an ngai to ang August ninga pathiani hian Lunglei District Missions Director Reverend VL Hwang chuan Thiltlang Home Mission Field loin Rawngbawlna aneyang Thiltlang Mission Field ta hian home missionary in evangelist HT zamhinglian Rawngbawlin aume kani August ninga pathiani hian Lunglei District Secretary le Sertlang pui bial tu pastor ni bok Reverend C Vanlal e na chuan Sertlang pui localin thlai tharkut an man tura man puyang August ninga pathiani hian theira bial conference in account vondan local tina inzirtir ni se alauti angin bial tu pastor Reverend R Vanlal eng chuan don local la account vondan inzirtir na nein hunna mangang July ni somni pakwa pathiani khan Lunglei District Choi Puino 2 local te chuan thlai thar ku thlim takinan manga bial tu pastor Reverend H Rochua ma chuan mithar pahni koshana aseng lot July ni somni pakwa pathiani ve khan headquarters local a mithar pakhat koshana lomlu ani bok July ni somni pariat engineer khan Lunglei District Krang Chalkon local a thiang limna le chung komai cham ti thupuya mangin seminar bua sa ania resource person tambial to pastor Reverend R Vanlal eng man ani July ni somthum to chani kham bolpui H local la thiang limna le chung komai cham ti thupuya mangin seminar bua sa ania resource person tambial to pastor H la lom sang chu man ani Ole khati zong kha tunkar chunga ta North East India UPC Kohhran Rawngbawlna Chanchin Thar kan clear le ngai tha khole the de chu ni e